How to use poster templates in Yoshion app. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can use the poster templates in Yoshion to create beautiful and professional looking designs in just a few steps. So let's get started. First things first, open up your Yoshion app on your device. I'm already inside it. Once you're inside, on the home screen, you can see an option called poster. It's right over here. Simply tap on it. And here you can see several templates. Choose the one that you like. So basically you can just use some templates as it is. For others, you have to pause the video and only after that you can unlock the poster template like this one. For this video, let's use poster in freeze. We don't have to see the video. Maybe this one. For this template, you have to add 2 photos. This one and this one. Then tap on next and go inside. So this is how you use poster templates in Yoshion app. Wasn't that easy? And again, if you want to change it, you can change the frame like this. And that's it. You had just created your own customized poster using the Yoshion app. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll be seeing you in the next video.